Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Alex. As you guys can see by the thumbnail, I have a pretty big Amazon haul of everything I bought on Prime Day, but it is way past Prime Day now because shipping took quite a lot of time. There was not next day Prime Day shipping, so it took a couple days, and obviously I have to wait for everything to come. They all came like separately, as you guys can see, so I was waiting for all that to come. Then I had other videos I needed to upload, so honestly this is just an Amazon haul, but just know everything was on sale for Prime Day. So I don't really know what to title this, don't know what I titled it, but I bought everything on Prime Day, so we love a good deal here on this channel, and if you do too, make sure to subscribe. So I guess we'll start with this box. I did open some stuff already, I'm sorry, but it took forever to come, and like some stuff I had to use right away, and so I did open a couple of things. First up, this actually was not on sale for Prime Day, but honestly it's still such a good price. So this is a nail kit. It comes with 6 nail files, some nail like buffers for $14.99, so definitely wanted to pick that up. I went to Shoppers Drug Mart, the drugstore, the other day here in Canada, and it was pretty expensive just for nail files. For like 2 of them it was $6, so I got this entire kit for $14.99. Next up, I picked up this basic plain long sleeve t-shirt. I picked it up for work. I got it in a size small. It was originally $25, but I picked it up for $18 on Prime Day. The only thing is that the sleeves are a little weird. They're a little smaller, so they do fit me more, I want to say here, kind of like a 3/4 style sleeve instead of a full long sleeve, but the body is very nice, not too tight, a little more on the looser side, so I really like that. Material is good. I mean, for $18 can't really complain, but I really like that. Just the sleeves are a little weird, and I have already washed it and wore it, so they were always just a little bit small and weird. Next up, this might get a little bit weird, but they were on sale and we love a good deal. I picked up a Calvin Klein bra. It is the lightly lined, full coverage, no wire Calvin Klein bra. I absolutely love this. The padding is very minimal, but it is there to, you know, not show anything, and I absolutely love this. It is so comfortable, such a soft freaking material. This bra retails for $52 on Amazon, and I picked it up that day for $31, like taxes and everything. It was $31. Absolutely freaking love this. It is so comfortable. I highly recommend this. I usually like being in sports bras because they're very comfortable, but since this has no wire or anything, it is just very freaking comfortable, and I love it. True to size. Highly recommend this. Next up, I picked up some Amazon Essential underwears. These are like the bikini style. They are not the thong style. They were also not on sale, but I saw these and they had really good reviews, and I just wanted some of these. I don't have like any style underwear like this. I am a seamless, no-show thong kind of girl, but I do like to have these when, you know, my time of month to like sleep in and stuff like that. This is getting a little weird, but yeah, they were $20. They're not on sale. They're usually the same price all year round. Highly recommend them. They really fit nice. They're very soft. I did already wash them, and I just put them back in here just to show you guys, but it comes in a pack of 6 for $20, so highly recommend them. I actually really like them. They're not high-waisted. I don't want high-waisted ones, just basic comfortable ones. Next up, we picked up some straws. They're just a pack of glass straws. I really like the aesthetic and how it looks, so this was just that pack, and then it came with 2 little things to clean it. It's a set of 8 of them. They're originally $14.99, but on Prime Day I picked them up for $11. I actually like them, and then I like the fact that it comes with different sizes, shapes, bends. Comes like this and that, so you can see the different lengths there. These are all like the different lengths and everything, and I just like the fact that you can also see in it, so you can just see how clean or dirty they are after every use. Next up, I actually did not pick this up. My dad picked it up for me. So this is the C450 dash camera. Not sure how much this was, but he did say it was on sale, so he actually picked up 3 of them, one for me, one for my brother, and one for himself, for all 3 of our cars. It's just a super tiny dash cam like that. I actually like this. This is so cute. And then also picked up a 32GB memory card for that dash cam. Ooh, so this was a good deal. So I picked up the Oral-B Pro 1000 rechargeable toothbrush. This brush retails for $148, and on Prime Day, taxes in, I picked it up for $56, guys. So basically almost $100 savings. And I don't actually have a rechargeable toothbrush. My parents have one, my brother has one, my boyfriend has one, and everybody raves about these electric toothbrush. I just have the old school, old style ones where you go in and do it yourself. But I was convinced. My parents were like, it's on sale, get it. And my boyfriend was like, that's a good deal, get it. And I love a good deal. You guys know that I love a good deal. So we have an electric toothbrush and I'm kind of excited to use it, so yeah. Okay, so I'm just adding this clip in here because I realized I forgot to unbox this toothbrush, but this is what it looks like. It came with 2 different heads and then 2 different colors. So obviously if you have 2 in the house, if you and your boyfriend or whoever has one in the house, you can differentiate the 2 like that. So this is what it comes with, and I just charge it. You just stick it on like the charging pad it comes with. This is what it sounds like. As you guys can hear, it's pretty loud, not gonna lie. It has a nice little like vibration to it also, and I haven't used it just yet, but I'm definitely excited to use it, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, like I said, I forgot to unbox it, so I just wanted to add it in. And then last thing, we are back to stage 2 here in Canada. In my region, there are 2 regions that are back on stage 2, and mine just got put on stage 2. So I really want to take this opportunity to redo my room, kind of fix it a little bit, and I bought some things, some like storage stuff. I hope this is what it is. It came in a weird box. This is not a typical Amazon box, now that I'm looking at it, but I hope this is what I'm thinking it is. But anyways. So this is typically for doorways, entryways, things like that, but I picked it up for my closet because, oh, this is nice. I hope this fits. Actually, I think it's gonna be perfect. So this is it. It has a cute little shelf where you put stuff. You put it on the wall so it would look something like this. Stick it like that. It came in a pack of 2 and it retailed for $37.99. And basically I picked this up because in my closet right now, I don't think you guys have ever seen, so I have multiple things in my room. I have a shoe wall, a purse wall, and then I have a closet here with 3 different like doors to open, and then I have a actual closet here that is like open. I took the doors out, so it's just an open, kind of like a walk-in closet kind of theme. And then I just have sweaters and like all my gym clothes and stuff like that. I have a bunch of stuff. So anyways, I do have a specific kind of thing where I put, there's a little mini hook that goes like this where it has all my caps, like my hats. I really like hats, so I have a lot. Because COVID has lasted so long, I started off with a little nail in the wall to hang my masks, and I quickly realized my mask collection is getting huge just because we've been in COVID for so long. I have some for work. Like from work they gave me 3, they're about to give me another 3, so that's 6 just from work. And then I have a bunch of other ones that I bought, like plain basic ones that I bought, or like cute ones. And then for my other job too, I have some. So my mask collection is getting huge, but I wanted this because that way I could just put a couple things at the top as well, and then obviously just hang my hats and my masks with it. And so it came in a pack of 2 for $30. That's not even bad. So that is why I picked that up. And I figured I do have some purses too that I display some purses in my room, but I also want to kind of hide a couple other ones that I don't use as often, so I will stack them probably over here or just put little things up here. Although I did think it was a little thicker, but it's not that thick. They're really nice for $39, and they're floating, so you just stick them, you cook them. Simple. Alright guys, so that is everything for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments what you guys splurged on Amazon Prime Day for, if you picked up any of the things that I picked up. And also don't forget that everything will be linked in the description, so go ahead and shop your little heart out. Also don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give the video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!